Want to hit that $100,000 milestone by 2025? Let's be real. There are so many people out there telling you this is the best business model, or that is the ultimate way to make money. But here's the truth. What works for me right now may not work for you. And what works for you may be laughably small to someone who's already worth billions. In this video, I'm laying out a roadmap, a step-by-step guide to business models designed for you no matter where you are on your journey. If you want to avoid the mistakes that keep most people stuck, listen closely, because this is how you get to that six-figure mark. I'm talking about 7 powerful business models, starting from the basics for total beginners to the strategies 9-figure entrepreneurs are using. And I'll break down the 3 key factors that truly separate the wealthy from everyone else: equity, leverage, and freedom. Ready to start your journey to 100K? Alright, let's kick things off with the most basic form of online business, content marketing. And when I say basic, I really mean basic. Content marketing is where anyone can start, no matter your experience level. All you need to do is create or repurpose content and post it on a social media platform. And no, you don't have to become an influencer or post stunning photography. It's much simpler than that. You just need to post the kind of content that gets people to hit follow and engage with your account. If that sounds strange to you, it really shouldn't. Think about it. How much time have you wasted today scrolling through Instagram? You've probably seen an account that reposts videos of cute dogs or funny memes ripped from Twitter. Now, have you ever wondered why people run these accounts? It's because they get paid, either through platform-specific programs like TikTok's Creator Fund, or by selling paid shoutouts and putting affiliate links in their bios. Go check out any meme page you follow, and you'll see a link to some mobile game or product in their bio. Now, I'm not saying this is a groundbreaking business model, but it works. In fact, this was one of the ways I made my first income online. I used to grow Instagram accounts. I'd start one, build up a following, sell a few promotions, and eventually sell the account itself. I made my first few $1,000s this way, and it taught me a lot about how online business works. There are several ways you can monetize an account like this. You could earn money directly from the platform, do sponsored posts, or even flip the account for profit. But to be honest, the game has changed a lot since I started, and I wouldn't necessarily recommend this method to everyone anymore. Still, creating and growing an account has one major benefit. It sets you up perfectly for the next level of online business. Now, let's move on to the next logical step after content marketing: affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with it, let me break it down. Imagine this video was a list of my 10 favorite gadgets. If I include an Amazon link in the description below, and you buy one of those gadgets, I get a small percentage of that sale. That's affiliate marketing in action. Almost every online retailer or software company offers some sort of affiliate deal. Of course, not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some are much more rewarding than others. Take Amazon, for example. Their affiliate program is notoriously stingy. You'll only get a tiny percentage of each sale. On the flip side, the best affiliate programs allow you to earn recurring revenue. This means that when someone signs up using your link, you continue to get a percentage of their spending over time. Naturally, these are the most competitive programs to get into, but they can also be the most lucrative. The key to success in affiliate marketing is finding these high-value programs and combining them with your network. This could be your social media followers, an email list you've built up, or even your personal connections. The most successful affiliate marketers know how to incentivize people to use their links. They'll offer something in return, like a free program, template, or valuable resource, to encourage people to click through. Now, there are people out there who make a full-time living and even small fortunes by focusing solely on affiliate marketing. They build massive email databases and grow huge followings, constantly churning out reviews and recommendations just to earn their next commission. But in my experience, the people who really thrive with affiliate marketing are the ones who combine it with other business models, using it to complement and enhance everything else they do. And here's where things start getting interesting. Affiliate marketing is the first online business model where you begin to tap into 2 of my favorite principles: leverage and vacation. You're leveraging your existing audience or network, and in some cases, you can earn recurring revenue without lifting a finger. That's what I like to call vacation time, making money while you're off enjoying life. To be honest, I still dabble in affiliate marketing myself. There are tools and products I genuinely use and believe in, so why not recommend them to my audience? But the online business model I've seen work time and time again for anyone. Next up is a powerful online business model, offering digital services. What I mean by this is selling your time and skills online, whether it's copywriting, digital marketing, or sales. This is one of the most reliable ways I see beginners start making real money online. It's often how people earn their first few $1,000s, setting them up for the next step in their career. Here's the reality. There's a huge demand for skills like advertising, copywriting, and email marketing, but not enough people to meet that demand. Even something as straightforward as copywriting can command serious premiums. Businesses are willing to pay hundreds, sometimes even thousands, just for a well-written email or Facebook ad. And if that sounds like an exaggeration, let me break it down for you. For many e-commerce stores, up to 30% of their revenue comes directly from email marketing. For larger businesses, that's hundreds of thousands of dollars from a single campaign. So if you're the marketer who can create a high-converting email sequence or write compelling copy, you could easily demand a percentage of the revenue generated. Even asking for 0.1% of a campaign's profits could turn into a significant payday. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't it hard to learn these skills? Honestly, it's not. The truth is, a lot of people in these roles don't know what they're doing. With just a few weeks of self-education, you can master a skill that could bring your clients tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. But there's one downside to this business model. You're a one-person show. You're entirely dependent on gigs, trading your time for money. And while this can be extremely profitable, you don't gain any equity. You're only leveraging your own skills, which limits your scalability and long-term growth. So, what's the solution to this? Stick around, because I've got an answer that could change the way you think about your online business. Let's dive into the next powerful business model, starting an agency. Surprisingly, very few people truly understand how simple this business model can be. As I've mentioned before, the role of an agency is pretty straightforward. You're leveraging the skills and expertise of others while removing yourself from the day-to-day process. Let's take a look at one of the skills I mentioned earlier, email marketing. Sure, you could deliver this service yourself, but an even smarter approach is to hire someone else to handle it for you. Running an agency means connecting clients with your contractors and pocketing the difference. For instance, you might charge a client $3,000 for a month of email marketing campaigns, then pay your contractor just $1,000 for their work. You pocket the remaining $2,000. It's a win-win. Your contractor gets regular work and income, and your clients receive top-notch service. What's even better? This business model can scale rapidly. Since you're not directly delivering the work, you can take on more clients and collaborate with more contractors. Your primary role as an agency owner is to find and convert leads, and then manage the service delivery. Now, there's a reason I'm so passionate about agencies. It's the first business model where you can blend equity, leverage, and vacation. The more clients you have, and the more satisfied customers you create, the more equity you build in your agency. Don't get me wrong. It's challenging to sell an agency, but the rewards are significant. You'll gain a reputation, expand your network, and attract higher caliber clients. By leveraging the skills of others, you can remove yourself from the equation and actually build a business that allows for some vacation time. I'm not suggesting you'll disappear for a year, but a well-run agency should allow you to step away for a couple of weeks without crumbling under pressure. Now let's talk about the next business model, which very few people ever reach: creating digital products. Offering digital services is relatively easy. Almost anyone can do it with a small amount of skill and some outreach. Many people then take it a step further by leveraging their skills and others to start an agency. This is more challenging, but as long as you keep your client base below 6 or 7, it's a straightforward model that's hard to mess up. However, few individuals will ever compile everything they've learned and distill that knowledge into a single product that others can use to grow their own businesses. The internet is flooded with guides on everything from losing weight to following a specific diet to mixing music. These guides often include a combination of video modules, text resources, and group calls for support. Elevating to this business model requires actual knowledge, expertise, and systems in place. So, if you're ready to take your entrepreneurial journey to the next business model we're diving into is the realm of digital products. Here, you package your knowledge and expertise into information-based products that you can sell. It's important to note that information typically holds less value than actual implementation. That's why agency owners often command higher fees per client. However, if you can nail down the right digital products and effectively market them, this model can be incredibly scalable. Now, what's the opposite of a digital product? A physical product, of course. I've saved this for near the end of our discussion because, in my opinion, selling physical products online is one of the most challenging business models to start. It's not impossible, but it's definitely complex. Throughout this video, I've aimed to provide a roadmap for achieving online business success, and selling physical products can be quite tough. I'm not referring to dropshipping, which is a mixed bag of an industry that can be profitable, but isn't something I've personally ventured into. I'm talking about building a brand that sells quality products and can withstand the test of time, not just one that shuts down within weeks of launching. But before I delve into the difficulties, let's highlight why this business model can be valuable at the right stage of your career. Selling a physical product can essentially detach you from the day-to-day operations of your business. For example, when someone buys a microphone, they're not purchasing access to Tim, the founder. They're buying a microphone. They won't care if he goes on vacation or if he personally responds to their emails. If the product is good, they'll return for more. And when Tim decides he's had enough, he can sell the business. You see, real businesses that offer physical products can be incredibly scalable and valuable. However, the downside is that they demand a significant investment of time, energy, and capital. Take it from someone who has invested nearly $1 million into launching a physical product brand. For instance, someone once launched a business called Pets Care, and the startup capital required to get something like that off the ground is often more than most people can handle. For someone at his current career stage, losing $1 million isn't the end of the world. It won't keep him up at night. But for many people, putting that amount of money into a business without knowing whether it will succeed is daunting. Now, let's discuss software. Take everything you've learned in this video, the importance of owning an asset, amassing skills, leveraging the talent of others, productizing your services, and building a valuable brand. When you combine all these elements, you arrive at software. This is truly the holy grail of online businesses, and one that very few people manage to get right. Why is that? Because launching a software business requires more capital than an e-commerce store, more skills than offering digital services, and more systems than running an agency. However, when everything is functioning correctly, a software business can generate revenue like no other. If set up properly, it can provide you with recurring income month after month from customers who may never even know your name. And importantly, it can quickly amass its own value. Remember when I said at the beginning of this video that I wouldn't just give you a list, but rather a roadmap? Well, this has been the roadmap I've followed and continue to follow today. So my friends, keep this in mind. There's no one-size-fits-all best business model for you right now. What's essential is finding the right business model that aligns with your current career stage. On that note, as always, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy.